Hi guys, how are you? So I'm back again today. I'm just going to do a quick review video about this mask that I've been dying to give a review, give it a try at least. Because this is gonna be the first time I'm trying this. Guess what it is? So it is like a sort of bubble sheet. Mogongtox is like detox something. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna try it out. It seems so interesting. Look at the bubble. This is from MEDIHEAL. This is actually one of the reasons why I want to try this. Why I feel safe to try it, because it's from MEDIHEAL, and I feel like I love MEDIHEAL's products. And I mean, I've got a lot of variants of their mask, and they're pretty much okay with me. So yeah, and they're pretty much popular as well. I can't read the description here because it's all Korean, but for the ingredients, I have a lot of ingredients right here. But the first one is water, glycerin. Yeah, that's pretty much okay. Let me check if we have some parabens in it. Oh, it's got fragrance, so just be careful for you guys who are sensitive to fragrance, perfume. And alcohol, of course. Alright, before that, because I just woke up, so I really need to wash my face first. Hi, I'm back with a freshly cleansed face. And for that, I'm just going to use this cute little bunny. Is it a bunny? It's supposed to be a bunny, no? Alright, so let's give it a try. Ta-dang-dang. Are you ready? Yes. What? No way. It is so freaking slimy. Oh! Interesting. I only have one piece. Look at the here. It's already bubbly in there. How is it already bubbly in there? So, oh, wow, it got into my eye. Why is it so short here? Do I have like a long chin or what? It's only like half of the face. No, third quarter of the face. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait for... How many minutes should I wait again? I think 10 minutes. Now it's 11:22. I'll see you around 11:32. Wish me luck. So it's been like 9 minutes, and look at the foam. Look at the bubbles, and I can hear it like the bubbles popping every seconds. So this is a closer look. Can you hear that? So it's been like 11 minutes actually, and I'm so ready to take this off. But one thing is that it doesn't have any like sensation to your skin. It feels just like regular sheet mask, and it doesn't have any like you can feel like a subtle fragrance. Like it smells not bad, pretty good. Oh, I got it on my leg. So they asked us to just like massage it on skin, and I am actually not sure if I should use it on, you know, on the rest of my forehead, but I don't know. It doesn't have any instruction about it. I'm so ready to clean it, to actually rinse it. I don't know if I use facial cleanser, but I don't think I will. So yeah, I'll see you. I'll come back. Don't go anywhere. So I've just washed my face. Ooh, I love how it actually like brightened my skin. I'm so excited to see it. Like seriously. From what I can see, I feel like my face is really clean right now, but it definitely likes it smoothens my skin, it brightens it, and nothing major. I still can see my pores right here, so I'm gonna check if it did anything good to my pores, but it didn't. And to my blackheads, nope, it didn't really work on it. But overall, it did brighten my skin a little bit, like making it a little bit clearer, and obviously smoothen my skin. But yeah, it gives your skin just enough hydration. I really love how soft my skin is right now. It's just really soft. I feel like a mochi. Seriously, Meg, mochi. You. Oh yeah. So I'll see you again next time. All right. So don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my channel, and check my other videos. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but somewhere here or here or here. So see you next time. Bye bye. All right. My lord. You know the cute thing, like a bunny cap something, like this part, but they have like a long string to it, and then you can just pull it, and when you pull it, it's gonna be like tick tick tick. Oh no, it was like that. So when you pull it, it's gonna be like tick